Checking your account balance at Regions Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly access your balance information. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Accounts or Account Summary section on the dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This could be a checking, savings, or any other type of account you hold. Step 4. View account balance. After selecting the account, your current balance will be displayed prominently on the screen. Take note of the balance for your records. Step 5. Log out securely. Once you have checked your balance, make sure to log out of your online banking session to protect your account information. Click on the Log Out button, usually found at the top right corner. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Regions Bank. Always remember to keep your login information secure and log out after your session.